Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
Everybody knows about that.
Everybody knows about that.
Tom came by bus.
Tom came by bus.
She shuddered with cold.
She shuddered with cold.
Everyone had recognized him.
Everyone had recognized him.
Tom, you've disappointed me.
Tom, you've disappointed me.
The night was cold.
The night was cold.
He is a hero.
He is a hero.
I prefer modern furniture.
I prefer modern furniture.
I don't quite understand.
I don't quite understand.
I want to buy.
I want to buy.
I want a life.
I want a life.
I'm used to waiting.
I'm used to waiting.
Thanks for the tip.
Thanks for the tip.
Kids can be kids.
Kids can be kids.
Ken lighted the candles.
Ken lighted the candles.
Don't work too much.
Don't work too much.
Take a look here.
Take a look here.
I can't eat chocolate.
I can't eat chocolate.
Tom accepted the job.
Tom accepted the job.
Hey, that's not bad.
Hey, that's not bad.
Hold this ladder steady.
Hold this ladder steady.
It's not an emergency.
It's not an emergency.
He climbed the stairs.
He climbed the stairs.
I had to hide.
I had to hide.
Just tell the truth.
Just tell the truth.
I need your assistance.
I need your assistance.
It snowed a lot.
It snowed a lot.
We've crashed and burned.
We've crashed and burned.
Tom is extremely patient.
Tom is extremely patient.
Tom wasn't paying attention.
Tom wasn't paying attention.
Tom tripped on something.
Tom tripped on something.
He taught me history.
He taught me history.
Do you like French?
Do you like French?
Tom is very attentive.
Tom is very attentive.
It was a joke.
It was a joke.
That's my skill talking.
That's my skill talking.
He's sexy and muscular.
He's sexy and muscular.
I'm going straight home.
I'm going straight home.
His wife is Japanese.
His wife is Japanese.
He exaggerated his experience.
He exaggerated his experience.
My hands really hurt.
My hands really hurt.
He sipped his coffee.
He sipped his coffee.
Hey! Don't be silly.
Hey! Don't be silly.
They lied to you.
They lied to you.
How's it look now?
How's it look now?
It was 7:30.
It was 7:30.
We keep 2 goats.
We keep 2 goats.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Many businesses closed down.
Many businesses closed down.
We'll topple this dictatorship.
We'll topple this dictatorship.
Whatever happened to Tom?
Whatever happened to Tom?
I told her that.
I told her that.
I'm a cocaine exporter.
I'm a cocaine exporter.
You'll die in jail.
You'll die in jail.
We have great chemistry.
We have great chemistry.
Show it to us.
Show it to us.
We walked 3 abreast.
We walked 3 abreast.
Unfortunately, that didn't happen.
Unfortunately, that didn't happen.
Is it Tuesday already?
Is it Tuesday already?
You shouldn't say it.
You shouldn't say it.
I can't stop sneezing.
I can't stop sneezing.
She is out now.
She is out now.
I apologize for her.
I apologize for her.
The mistakes are mine.
The mistakes are mine.
He mended my umbrella.
He mended my umbrella.
She's looking at me.
She's looking at me.
The train was crowded.
The train was crowded.
I'm eating my sandwich.
I'm eating my sandwich.
Your hair needs cutting.
Your hair needs cutting.
Tom knows those rules.
Tom knows those rules.
He walked before me.
He walked before me.
Answer my question carefully.
Answer my question carefully.
Is Tom there alone?
Is Tom there alone?
Tom looks happy today.
Tom looks happy today.
I've lost her number.
I've lost her number.
Mary is a potter.
Mary is a potter.
It is already occupied.
It is already occupied.
I need to leave.
I need to leave.
Tom went to Australia.
Tom went to Australia.
I admire your talent.
I admire your talent.
Tom doesn't mind walking.
Tom doesn't mind walking.
Tom grew more agitated.
Tom grew more agitated.
He won't beat me.
He won't beat me.
What are you implying?
What are you implying?
I went there yesterday.
I went there yesterday.
Okay, what's the secret?
Okay, what's the secret?
His invention deserves attention.
His invention deserves attention.
I didn't get that.
I didn't get that.
What is this called?
What is this called?
She is getting on.
She is getting on.
Can I do that?
Can I do that?
You're in good company.
You're in good company.
You lied to me.
You lied to me.
You've brightened my day.
You've brightened my day.
I hardly recognize them.
I hardly recognized them.
It sounds like fun.
It sounds like fun.
Do not drink water.
Do not drink water.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. America is very big.
America is very big.
However, exceptions have occurred.
However, exceptions have occurred.
He will be sleeping.
He will be sleeping.
I don't like dogs.
I don't like dogs.
That belongs to us.
That belongs to us.
Tom was so careful.
Tom was so careful.
I guess that's good.
I guess that's good.
They're probably already dead.
They're probably already dead.
Tom opened a beer.
Tom opened a beer.
Of course he's innocent.
Of course he's innocent.
Sleep stole over us.
Sleep stole over us.
Those notebooks are mine.
Those notebooks are mine.
It'll wear off soon.
It'll wear off soon.
Please don't leave me.
Please don't leave me.
It cannot be helped.
It cannot be helped.
It's not just that.
It's not just that.
Did you get married?
Did you get married?
The countryside is beautiful.
The countryside is beautiful.
I moved here yesterday.
I moved here yesterday.
Tom's father is dead.
Tom's father is dead.
How's life in Germany?
How's life in Germany?
The situation seems hopeless.
The situation seems hopeless.
It's not a vice.
It's not a vice.
She has gained weight.
She has gained weight.
Tom was a blackmailer.
Tom was a blackmailer.
She speaks Spanish well.
She speaks Spanish well.
I saw the cook.
I saw the cook.
Quite well, thank you.
Quite well, thank you.
You've just been told.
You've just been told.
You don't know that.
You don't know that.
Tom calculated his expenses.
Tom calculated his expenses.
I like your hair.
I like your hair.
The doorbell is ringing.
The doorbell is ringing.
I've been busy lately.
I've been busy lately.
Save room for dessert.
Save room for dessert.
Can I come inside?
Can I come inside?
Our team is winning.
Our team is winning.
The horse ran fast.
The horse ran fast.
She is extremely unpleasant.
She is extremely unpleasant.
No one understands that.
No one understands that.
You'll meet her tomorrow.
You'll meet her tomorrow.
It can't hurt you.
It can't hurt you.
2 minutes for roughing.
2 minutes for roughing.
There's a fire downtown.
There's a fire downtown.
Can you take over?
Can you take over?
You won't believe this.
You won't believe this.
This meeting isn't over.
This meeting isn't over.
She doesn't like soccer.
She doesn't like soccer.
You can't threaten me.
You can't threaten me.
Tom seemed taken aback.
Tom seemed taken aback.
Milk comes from cows.
Milk comes from cows.
The doors are closed.
The doors are closed.